Hi, this is Dr. Rahul Pandya. Welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will discuss the importance and standard methods for citing the sources in PowerPoint presentations. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you wouldn't miss the upcoming episodes. Citing the sources in PPT is extremely important. During any presentation, citing the sources will help to avoid the plagiarism. Citing the sources will also supply additional information which will help interested attendees to get in more detail. Furthermore, it helps to avoid the copyright infringements and subsequent legal consequences. The best practice is to refer the relevant sources at the end of the text through the superscripts and cite them at the bottom of the slide. The following illustration shows that the sources are referred through the superscript numbers and cited at the bottom of the slide. Citing the sources at the bottom of the slide will substantially help readers immediately identify the relevant sources and go through them if they are further interested in exploring. Furthermore, instead of superscripts, we can also use the bracketed numbers referring to the sources and cite them at the bottom of the slide. We must cite the sources when we use images, graphs, pictures, photographs, charts, data, etc. For example, we have used the picture of National Optical Fiber Network, which is adapted from source 1, and the source paper is cited at the bottom of the slide. As shown previously, instead of superscripts, we can also use the bracketed numbers referring to the sources and cite them at the bottom of the slide. In case of quoted information, referring and citing the sources is mandatory. For example, the quoted text is required from the source 1, which is referred and cited. Thank you very much for attending this episode. We will be creating new episodes on research process regularly. Please subscribe to our channel so you wouldn't miss the upcoming episodes. Before we leave, please do not forget to like and share the episode. Thank you very much.